Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this transporter T32 Leighton Kombi conversion, which is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive. This transporter has a distinctive road presence enhanced by the full Leighton Body Kit, with alloy wheels, Cobra lowering springs, and styling upgrades including a front splitter, side skirts and a rear spoiler. LED main headlamps with automatic headlight control provide excellent visibility, while the power adjustable, power folding and heated mirrors add everyday convenience. Front and rear parking sensors with a 360 degrees camera system make manoeuvring much easier. Practicality remains a key strength, with a rear tailgate and twin side sliding doors providing easy access for both passengers and cargo. In the rear, there are 3 seats, with the middle seat folding down to reveal cup holders, while armrests add extra comfort on longer journeys, and integrated blinds on the rear windows also enhance privacy and refinement. Inside, the style interior trim creates a smart and premium feel, while heated front seats add extra comfort in colder weather. There is storage throughout the cab, including a dedicated compartment for glasses or sunglasses, and you will also find USB-C ports and a wireless device charging pad. The rear view camera mirror with dash cam function adds both convenience and reassurance. The heated multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel provides easy access to key controls, while adaptive cruise control with a speed limiter helps to make longer journeys more relaxed. From the steering wheel you can also navigate through the digital cockpit. The media system gives you easy access to DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also access the navigation system, view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of the camera system and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring. This has been a presentation of the transporter T32 Leighton Kombi conversion that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.